Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to find healthcare services within the AXA medical network. First of all, search AXA cuadro médico and click on this link. Then you can select the type of client you are and the modality that you have. Usually it's the optimal one. You can then enter your address by using your city or your postal code. For example, Barcelona. And search for the specialty you need. For example, radiology. And then we can search. The results would then appear first on the right with the Google Maps, and on the left their phone numbers and addresses. You can also use your current location, add more filters, or even download the results. When clicking on more filters, you can search the name of your hospital, center, or even the name of your doctor. And add another specialty. You can also use a keyword, for example, an English or French-speaking doctor. And we click on search. And again, we get the results with on the right Google Maps and on the left their infos. Thanks for watching this video.